Hey everyone, it's Tech Alchemy here. You know that drawer? The one where all your old phones, laptops, and random tech goes to die? Yeah, we're cracking that thing open today. We're talking about breathing new life into your old tech, giving it a whole new purpose, maybe even something cooler than its original form. No, seriously, we're about to dive into some awesome tech hacks that'll make you question throwing away anything ever again. Get ready! First up, let's talk security. In today's world, keeping an eye on your home is more important than ever. But did you know you can do it without spending a fortune? You know that old smartphone collecting dust? The one you thought was useless? Well, think again. Don't trade it in just yet. It could be the security camera you never knew you needed. Imagine turning that old device into a vigilant guardian for your home. We're talking about apps like Alfred. These apps are designed to breathe new life into your old gadgets. It's super simple to set up, basically turns your old phone into a remote security camera. No tech expertise required. Download the app on your old phone and your current one, pair them up, and boom, you're in business. It's like having a high-tech security system at your fingertips. You've got live video streaming, motion detection, even two-way audio, so you can talk to your pet. Or tell off whoever's trying to sneak a late-night snack from the fridge. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can check in anytime from anywhere. It's crazy easy to use. The interface is user-friendly, and the features are robust. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get it up and running. You can position your old phone anywhere, point it at whatever you want to keep an eye on, and you're good to go. Whether it's the front door, the living room, or even the backyard, your old phone has got you covered. No need for fancy equipment or complicated installations. Just a few taps on your screen and you're set. Plus, it's way cheaper than buying a whole separate security system. Why spend hundreds of dollars when you can repurpose what you already have? It's a win-win for your wallet and your peace of mind. And let's not forget the satisfaction of giving new life to an old device. It's eco-friendly and practical, so next time you think about tossing that old phone, remember, it could be your home's new best friend. From monitoring your kids while they play to keeping an eye on your pets, the possibilities are endless. Your old phone's new mission is just a download away, so go ahead, dust off that old phone and give it a new purpose. Your home security just got a whole lot smarter and more affordable. Next, let's revive that old laptop that's seen better days. You know the one. It's been sitting in the corner, collecting dust, and you've almost forgotten it exists. But don't be too quick to dismiss it. That old machine still has a lot of potential left in it. Remember those times it struggled to even load a YouTube video, the frustration of waiting for that buffering wheel to disappear. It seemed like it was on its last legs, right? But what if I told you that it could still serve a very useful purpose? Well, guess what? It can still be your entertainment hub. Imagine transforming it into a central piece of your home entertainment system. Yes, that's right. Your old laptop can become the heart of your media experience. We're talking about turning it into a full-fledged media center. This means you can stream movies, TV shows, music, and even display your photo albums. It's like giving your laptop a new lease on life. Think Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, all streamed seamlessly to your TV. No more squinting at a small screen or dealing with slow load times. Everything you love to watch and listen to right there on the big screen. How? With software like Plex, of course. This thing's a game changer. Plex is a powerful media server application that can turn your old laptop into a streaming powerhouse. You install it on your old laptop, tell it where your movies, music, and photos are stored, and it does all the heavy lifting. It's incredibly user-friendly and makes organizing your media a breeze. Plex organizes everything beautifully, pulls in cover art, descriptions, the whole 9 yards. It's like having your own personal Netflix, but with all your favorite content. And the best part? You can access all of this from any device on your home network. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, Plex makes it easy to enjoy your media anywhere in your home. So kick back, relax, and let your resurrected laptop take care of the entertainment. It's time to enjoy your favorite movies, shows, and music in a whole new way. Your old laptop is now your new media center, bringing joy and entertainment to your home once again. Now let's move on to that tablet gathering dust. Instead of letting it become an expensive paperweight, let's give it a new purpose. A digital photo frame. It's way cooler than it sounds. Think about it, you've got this beautiful high-resolution display just sitting there. Why not put it to good use? You can easily set up a slideshow of your favorite photos, turning your tablet into a dynamic, eye-catching display. Most tablets these days have incredible screens, so your pictures will look absolutely stunning. And it's not just about photos. You can use it to display the time, weather, even your upcoming calendar appointments. Now let's talk about something we all struggle with: Wi-Fi dead zones. You know, those annoying spots in your house where the internet just decides to take a break? Well, I'm here to tell you that your old router can be the hero in this story. That's right, instead of tossing it out, you can repurpose it as a Wi-Fi extender. It's a bit more technical than some of the other hacks, but trust me, it's worth it. Basically, you'll need to access your old router's settings, usually through a web browser, and configure it to work as a repeater or extender. It's like giving your main Wi-Fi signal a little buddy to help it reach those far corners of your home. Finally, let's talk about that old PC gathering dust in the corner. You know, the one that you haven't touched in years, and it's just sitting there, taking up space. You know, the one that sounds like a jet engine taking off whenever you turn it on. It's loud, it's clunky, and it seems like it's on its last legs. But don't be so quick to write it off. Well, believe it or not, it can still be incredibly useful as a home server. Instead of letting it collect dust, you can repurpose it into something that adds real value to your home network. We're talking about turning it into a central hub for storing files, backing up your data, and even sharing resources across multiple devices in your home. Imagine having a dedicated place where all your important documents, photos, and videos are stored securely. You can also use it to run a media server. This means you can stream your favorite movies, music, and TV shows directly to any device in your home without the need for external services. There's software out there like FreeNAS, which is specifically designed for this kind of thing. FreeNAS is a powerful open-source operating system that turns your old PC into a fully functional server. It might sound daunting, but it's honestly not that complicated. With a little bit of patience and some basic tech knowledge, you can get it up and running in no time. You install FreeNAS on your old PC, and it walks you through the setup process step by step. The interface is user-friendly, and there are plenty of tutorials available online to help you along the way. Before you know it, you'll have your own personal cloud storage accessible from anywhere. This means you can access your files from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, no matter where you are. And the best part is, you have complete control over your data. You decide who has access to it, and you can ensure that it's stored securely. No more relying on third-party cloud services. By setting up your own home server, you eliminate the need to trust your data with external companies, giving you peace of mind and greater privacy. So, why not give it a try? Dust off that old PC and turn it into something truly useful. You'll be surprised at how much it can enhance your digital life. With a home server, all your devices can seamlessly connect and share information, making your home network more efficient and convenient. Plus, there's a great sense of accomplishment that comes with setting up your own server. It's a rewarding project that not only saves you money, but also teaches you valuable skills. So don't let that old PC go to waste. Transform it into a powerful home server and unlock its full potential. Your future self will thank you. So, there you have it. 5 awesome ways to give your old tech a new lease on life. It's amazing what a little creativity can do, right? Remember, just because something is old doesn't mean it's useless. With a few tweaks and a bit of know-how, you can save money, reduce waste, and maybe even impress yourself with your tech skills. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these hacks, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.